Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 20. My name is Walter. Today we are going to do revision on mixed number addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let us start with question number 1. We have addition question here. 13 3 over 8 plus 3 2 over 5. Here I'll start to add whole number with whole number and fraction with fraction. 13 plus 3 plus fraction, that is 3 over 8 plus 2 over 5. This is equal to 13 plus 3, we got 16, then plus the LCM of 8 and 5, it is 40. 40 divided by 8, get 5. 5 times 3, 15, so we got 15, plus 40 divided by 5, it is 8. 8 times 2, we get 16. This is equal to 16 whole number. 15 plus 16, we get 31 over 40. We can simplify this answer further. Let's go to question number 2. We have subtraction question here. 9, 4 over 5, take away 4, 2 over 3. First, you're going to take whole number, take away whole number. Then fraction, take away fraction. That is 9, take away 4, plus in the bracket, we have 4 over 5, take away 2 over 3. This is equal to 9 take away 4, we get 5, plus the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. 15 divided by 5, it's 3. 3 times 4, we got 12, take away 15 divided by 3, it's 5. 5 times 2, we get 10. This is equal to 5. 12 take away 10, remain with 2 over 15. Now we can simplify this answer further. Straight, I'll jump to question number 3. We have multiplication question here. That is 7 over 8 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 3 over 7. So first I'm going to change this mixed number here into improper fraction. This is equal to 7 over 8 multiplied by 14 multiplied by, change this into improper fraction. 7 multiplied by 3, 21, plus 3, we get 24 over 7. Then I'm going to check if I can simplify. Yes, we can simplify this expression here. So by 7, 1, by 7 is 1, by 8, 1, by 8, we get 3. This is equal to, we are going to multiply numerator by numerators and denominator by denominators. That is 1 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 3 over 1 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by 1. This is equal to 14 multiplied by 3, we get 42. Let's finish the last question. It is division question, and we are going to multiply the mixed numbers. We are going first to change this into improper fraction. Then we will change the sign into multiplication. After that, we are going to reciprocate the second fraction. Let's change this into improper fraction. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 plus 2. We get this is equal to 30 over 7 divided by 9 multiplied by 1 is 9 plus 1. We get 10 over 9. This will be equal to, I'm going to keep the first fraction, that is 30 over 7. Then I'll change the sign from division to multiplication. So I'll multiply by, I'll reciprocate the second fraction, that is going to be 9 over 10. Let us simplify. By 10, 1, by 10 is 3. We are going to multiply the numerator by numerator, that is 3 multiplied by 9, we get 27. Over 1 multiplied by 7, over 7 multiplied by 1, we are going to get 7. So we'll change this improper fraction to mixed number. 27 over 7 in mixed number is going to be equal to 3 whole number remains 6 over 7. Hope you understand how to work with mixed number on addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. For more video on fractions, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.